Alright guys, we're here at Henderson Beach State Park and we actually made it. This is our new lot. We'll be here till about Saturday, so we got about 3 or 4 days to be here. Lot number 4. Lot number 4. And it's a nice level lot. Now they don't have sewer here, so we do have to use our tote again. It's a nice concrete slab. Later on tonight we'll open the slide. We got the jacks in already. The stabilizers on. That's pretty much the back. Stabilizers again. Get the filter going from the city water and the electricity going to the 50 amp into the watchdog surge protector. And we got water. And the water right now we're about at 50 psi, and that's perfect. And then underneath we got our tote. That's what we'll fill up to the black and the gray water so we can empty. And this is our view. Right behind all these bushes here is the beach. There's gonna be a big sand dune that we could now walk through this sidewalk, and we'll head over to the beach. So we're still getting settled in inside, and then we'll take you guys out on a short walk in the beach. But it's cold. It's like 43 degrees right now. So we're actually gonna head over to North Face and pick up some gloves for the kids and the wife, because she did not pack any. But yeah. Alright, see you guys soon. We just ate mezcal Mexican grill, and I gotta say that was delicious. Wow, very full. My wife had a chili Rita. It's a margarita with chili. That was actually really tasty. Now we're gonna head back to the RV, and we're gonna go on a night walk out to the beach. All right, so we had dinner. Now we're gonna get some ice cream. Decided to take the kids over to Brewster's Real Ice Cream, and they have a whole bunch of varieties. Look at this. So now we're just in line here waiting. They're cold. What's this one called? What's in it? Chocolate cake with mint. It's like a sundae. Wow. Alright, what you get?
I got the warm chocolate chip ice cream sundae.
Looks pretty good.